Hey, what's up, guys? Alright, so new kind of camera setup. I've been using my cell phone to shoot videos, but I got a external microphone for my GoPro that I've had. It's a Hero 3 Plus Black, something like that. So it's still kind of an old camera, but hey, it's what I got. But we're going to do a cold start this morning. I know some people before have asked for the exhaust clip, which I did post. Nothing major, just a small clip. But here's going to be a cold start. It is 37 degrees here in Texas. Overnight was a little bit closer to freezing. Did have some ice on the car when I came out here earlier, but I warmed up the fiance's truck for her since she went to work today. So we still have some ice on the car. It has not been run, even though part of the hood is, looks like it's been a little warmed up. So here is the cold start, 37 degrees on. you guys, a little running exhaust video. I'm up here at Home Depot, get some things for the house in the garage. So, whew. Yeah, there you go, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Hope to have more content coming soon with the car as well as some other things. So stay tuned for that. Thank you guys for subscribing and watching. I really do appreciate it. I'm trying to grow this channel slowly but surely. Probably a little bit slower than I'd like, but you know, we'll get there one day, and hopefully we'll have some really cool stuff lined up in the future. It is winter time, and Texas might be hot during the summer, but during the winter we do get pretty wet. So you know, we had a decent day today. It's supposed to rain later on today or tomorrow or something like that. So hopefully I'm going to try to see about lining some stuff up race wise, because I'd like to, someone's alarm's going off. I'd like to know where the car stands against some other competition. I already know I can beat a factory 5.0 Mustang, Camaro, anything past 2012 up to, I'd like to say, Mustang wise, at least up until the 17s. I don't know if I can beat an 18 or not. I have beat a 15 before on the freeway, so you know, we'll see about that. I have beat a Camaro at the drag strip once. It was an 1/8 mile. It wasn't a prep strip or nothing like that. So and that was also with the factory wheels and tires, which were run flats and they're shit. So but hopefully we'll get some stuff lined up here pretty soon. If anybody is local to the Dallas-Fort Worth area that is watching, I specifically live in South Fort Worth. Would love to meet up with anybody who wants to see the car, or who maybe even wants to race against it. It's nothing super fast. It's no tuned 720S like Street Speed 717 or any of the other guys out there. It's not no Spence car with a single turbo 135i. It's just a 5 Series, just with some bolt-ons and hopefully some more soon. So thanks guys, appreciate it. Have a good one.